Hello everyone, welcome to the another episode of unboxing video from my channel. So today I will be unboxing this Winstar Walmart kitchen utensil dish rack from Miso and its price is 1683 as on screen. I have received this parcel in this huge sack bag. Packaging is quite good so far. Let's see what's inside it. So this is it. It's quite heavy. Now come on, let's assemble it. And now I noticed that they have not sent me that instruction guidebook where instructions are written on it how to assemble this rack. Okay, let's idea it and let's arrange it. Come on. Okay, from top to bottom, these three racks are of same pattern, but make sure to put the rack which has hole on it on the top. Also arrange the small racks on top like this, and then you go done. Okay, just wait. I have forgot the cup and spoon stands to attach on it. One I have already fixed, and the other two I'm opening the knot and then fix it. There you go, it's completely done. It also comes with this red color test to put on it. I just hope this video is helpful for some of you guys. If yes, then give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more unboxing videos. Now this rack is completely fine to take utensils on it. Packaging was quite good and the steel material is also quite good and sturdy. But the instruction guide was not given, so a minus point. And there are two or three holes on it like this. For what reason, I don't know, and I'm not liking it, so a minus point for this. Otherwise, everything is good, so I would like to rate this product 7 out of 10. Thanks for watching.